we interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the President of the United States. A nuclear missile is heading towards the United States. Impact is expected to occur near the area of Long Island, New York, within the next 30 minutes. At this time, all residents within a 300-mile radius of Long Island should seek out a fallout shelter immediately. As a last resort, go to a basement, subway, or other underground location. Place as many dense objects between you and the outside as possible. Avoid windows. Major cities in the fallout risk area include Baltimore, Buffalo, Boston, New York City, Philadelphia, Pittsburgh, Washington, D.C. Have a battery-powered radio for your stay in the shelter. Wait for an all-clear signal from authorities before exiting your shelters, as fallout is deadly. Tune to stations serving your area for further information on this situation. The President will be speaking over all stations shortly. Stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WNBC. We will continue to serve the New York City area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the New York City area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.